Hello, welcome to Dubai. I was going to say Maldives then, you know.
Not
Freaking,
there,
I was
not
actually
there
nutted. So we filmed a room tour for you, which we are going to put in now. Come on in to the grand suite of everything. Let's give you a tour. Come with me this way. Be viewable into the lavish room. Okay, first of all, this is an interconnecting door. It's got a lavish queen size bed. I mean, look how grand this is. I want to jump, but I probably shouldn't because I might. I don't want to ruin the nice petals. Obviously, look at the decor around the bed. Absolutely freaking glorious. Behind where Ellie is right now, you've got the TV. Nice grand TV, look, that you're going to watch. And we've noticed there's UK plug sockets in this room. So we bought tons of adapters because we didn't know what we were going to use. We've got a mini bar down here, fully stocked, teas and coffees. Lots of mini bars. I think they charge. We're half board, but whoa, I wasn't expecting that. Okay.
Snacks.
Snacks.
Snacks if you get hungry.
Snacks.
Snacks.
What is in here?
Oh,
Oh, look.
glassware.
Cutlery. Drinky champagne. I thought this was a drawer. Empty drawer space. That's a fake drawer. Don't do nothing.
Ice bucket.
Bottle opener and ice bucket. So because I'm celebrating my birthday, not here, it's actually in the Maldives we're celebrating my birthday.
But we're celebrating our wedding anniversary here.
Oh yes, our wedding, oh yes, 6, so in 2 days time, got a wedding anniversary. Got a lovely little birthday card, I'm not sure what this is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, chocolate camel.
Oh my god.
That is not, oh wait, is that gold encrusted?
It's not real gold.
No, but could you imagine if it is, I'd sell it.
God.
No, I wouldn't. Look at that, how cute is that? That's freaking adorable. We've got an amazing view outside our room. Come outside with me. Come and see. I mean, wow, the sun really hits your eyes when you're out here, but this is the lobby area, just down here, where you come into the hotel. And we've got the world's biggest, let's call it the Dubai Eye. I think it's actually what it's called in Dubai Eye. Currently 28 degrees at the moment, which is very nice, but we are saving the very best till last. Come this way. Come see.
Oh, and a giant mirror.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, we've got L safe.
Oh yeah, we've got
Loads and
this.
loads of storage
Loads of
space.
room. I mean, tons. I mean, just before we go into the grand market, you've got
Oh, robes. Oh my god, robes.
nice pillow bags and everything.
They've got robes.
I mean,
They've got slippers.
I know. How amazing. Loads of good space. This is a standard Superior King room we have here. It's a hotel's in Jumeirah Zabeel Saray, by the way. Have a look at this.
Oh my god, this is the
How
bath.
grand is this?
So this is
The massive shower, nice big rain head. I will be trying this bidet at some point. Ellie's going to get my reaction. Obviously not my lower half because no one wants to see that. You don't need us go into a swimming pool while you're here. Let's go this way.
because we have our own.
Because look at this! I mean, freaking, for point of reference, let me show you.
Oh my god, I've never seen anything quite like it.
How long would that take to fill up? You could have 2 of us here, look, top and tail.
I mean, this is probably the most impressive part, I think.
Amazing. You can obviously peek through your partners through the window.
Or there is a blind, you can pull the blind.
Oh yeah, we can do that, but I mean, if you're husband and wife, why would you put a blind on each other? So that is our room tour. Let us know in the comments what you think of this room, because we would love to know your thoughts. This is probably like one of the best rooms we've ever stayed in. For those of you who watched last week, we've literally just arrived in Dubai, so you're going to see us changing a bit.
Now we're going to go and get some lunch. We're on a half-board basis here at the Jumeirah Zabeel Saray Hotel. So it's quite good because you don't have to have breakfast and dinner. You can have it as a dine around. So you can have, obviously you have your breakfast in the morning and then you can either choose between lunch or dinner.
Yeah.
So today we're going to choose lunch because we are absolutely
Yeah, we
loving.
only get one of the options. I said
Yeah.
we could do breakfast, it was like 120 AD each, so we're not doing that.
No, for today that was, but
Yeah. It's lunchtime now.
yeah, we're going to go and get
Don't
some
know
lunch.
what, and then we're going to get a taxi and head down into like the mall Aquarium way, which would be really cool
Yeah,
to see. So let's go down and have some lunch, guys. Look at this, the grandest lift you've ever been in. Look at this lift. Freaking, this is amazing.
Glass.
Yeah, there you go. lift experience for you.
So we've had a little walk around the hotel just to see where we can eat lunch. We've ended up at a little restaurant, which we didn't realise it was a restaurant. We were just walking through it earlier. Yeah. It's called Sultans Lounge. So we're going to have a Beyond Burger and probably a dessert because we're on a half-board basis. Like I said, you get a starter, main and dessert with that. Yeah. So yeah, obviousl you just have to pay for your own drinks.
And the drinks at the hotel are expensive. Like it's 18 AED for a bottle of water, 330ml, which is works out about £3.70 because the rate's 4.87 AED to a pound. A glass of Coke is about 48 AED, which works out nearly £6 for a Coke. We're going to have that. We haven't showed you the grounds around here. Oh my god, freaking gorgeous. The views are amazing around here. I can't wait to eat though because we haven't really had breakfast this morning. Oh, we've got our meals. We've got we obviously told you what we got earlier, but they're cooked really well. These hot burgers, really nice. Don't want it to go cold, obviously. Ellie said the chips are amazing already. She's ducked in, I haven't. So bon appetit, bon appetit, bon appetit, isn't it? Something like that. Welcome to Dubai Mall, everyone. We're here by the fountain. Oh look at that.
So I will say that taxis are not actually badly priced compared to back at home.
Yeah, for a half-hour drive, it was 69 dirham, which is about £14. I'll tell you what is a rip-off here. Oh, we had water at the hotel and it was £5.50 each for a bottle of water. People say it's an expensive city. I'm seeing that now. I nearly had a heart attack when I saw the price. For water. Anyway,
so we're actually here to go to the aquarium, so we're going to try and venture our way round and find where the aquarium is.
Yeah,
exactly. I don't know if you can hear us because of that water behind our
I've got to find it because apparently it's massive in here and then we're captured by the aquarium. Just made it to the underwater aquarium. Wow. Absolutely freaking enormous.
We've not even gone in yet and I'm like...
It's insane.
What's the word? I don't even know.
Gobsmack. We're going to get going in. Admire this view. There's going to be a lot more inside where that come from. What do you think of the aquarium at the minute?
Oh, it's really, really good. Yeah, so if you're ever in Dubai, come to the aquarium because it's just
amazing.
Another level.
Oh, we saw the cutest little thing. It's a little sugar glider we saw a minute ago. And you see them in the Amazon rainforest.
We would have showed you, but it was too dark. So
yeah,
it's a night creature.
Yeah, it's amazing. This place freaking I'm loving it at the minute. Yeah. So much to look and see. We still got to go downstairs, which you saw a second ago. But I mean, we're having a really good time here, watching all this, aren't we? So we're giving you a little update. What have we done since?
Just had a little look around some shops. We got some dinner.
Not much. We had a look in Starbucks because I'm collecting Starbucks mugs, and we had a look in Bath and Body Works. That's something we're going to do later. We are going up the Burj Khalifa in a minute. Oh, freaking the skyline's magical.
Honestly,
around here.
I've never seen anything quite like it. And I mean, I don't even think London's like this, is it?
No, it ain't.
But the Burj Khalifa at night is stunning.
Yeah, we're going up floor 124 plus the cafe. 124 is 125.
Yeah.
So we're going up there. You get a soft drink included. We bought it with a package with the aquarium and the Dubai frame. Dubai frame's tomorrow afternoon. And they do the Dubai water fountain here where we are. We'll show you some of the skyline and that round here.
Yeah.
But oh man,
Definitely stunning.
I'm going to show you the Burj though from here.
We're back.
Yeah, sorry if it seems like it's a short one. We've had an amazing time at the Burj Khalifa today, and the aquarium was freaking amazing.
And the Burj was unbelievable. I'm so pleased we decided to go up at night.
Yeah, me too.
Because you could see the water fountain show from the top.
Yeah.
We obviously only went to floor 124 and 125.
That was enough.
The view of that was just incredible.
You don't need to pay all that money to go an extra 25 floors up if you're going to come here to Dubai.
Oh, it's unreal.
So,
anyway,
yeah.
We've had an amazing day.
On that note,
Absolutely loved Dubai already.
yeah, I've fallen in love with it. Day one, amazing,
Yeah.
absolutely freaking amazing.
Yeah.
On that note, leave us a comment. If you come to Dubai, would you do anything that we did? Going up the Burj Khalifa or do the Dubai Aquarium? Also, stick around, stay tuned for next week because we've got to be up very early in the morning. So it's 9 p.m. We've got to be up at 5 in the morning. We're getting picked up. We're doing our nature safari.
And falconry safari.
With a camel ride and that as well with Arabian breakfast.
And going in a vintage Land Rover, which will be bloody awesome.
And then Dubai frame tomorrow. If anyone has made it this far, give us a like to let us know you've made it this far in the video. It does help out massively. And just to make a note, like 88% of you who watched the video are not subscribed, so hit the subscribe button. It's free.
And leave us a comment because we do really, really, really enjoy reading your comments.
And that being said, we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.